In this short video tutorial, we will be learning how we can boost our CPU performance on our Windows 11 laptop by just following two simple steps. So the first one is to adjust power plan settings, and the second is to disable unnecessary startup apps. So to do that, we need to first open our settings. So please type here in the Windows search tab power and sleep settings, power and sleep settings, or you can also have this choose a power plan option. Now here, all you need to do is just to select or customize a power plan. If you're seeing here balanced option or ultimate performance or even high performance, you can select either of the three options there. And then once you have already done that, you can also uh, switch to high performance by default. So Windows uses the balanced power plan. As you can see here in my window, I have here Acer as selected plan. And we need to change it to high performance if it's available for better CPU performance, or you can also have ultimate performance. So in my case, I'll just leave it be since my device is uh, it's working very well with Acer option. So here, the next thing we need to do is to click on this change plan settings. And then once you have clicked on this one, we need to click on this change advanced power settings. You will be getting this kind of window. We need to adjust the processor power management. You will see that in the box. And click on this one to expand. Here you will be seeing the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state. So what are we going to do here? We need to set this minimum processor state to 0%. And for the maximum processor state, we need to set it to 100%. So to do that, simply double click on this one, and then you will see there on battery and plug-in options. So we need to set both to 0%. And if you haven't done that, then simply click on this one, and then you can now type for the 0 value, and it will automatically show us 0%. And just do the same thing with the plug-in option. And for the maximum processor state, double click on this one to expand, and you will see there on battery and plug-in options as well. So here in the section, we need to set it to 100%. So this is the maximum processor state. And if you haven't set it to 100%, all you need to do is just to click on this one and type there or set it to 100, and it will automatically appear 100%. Once you're done doing this one, just please click on apply and then click on OK option. Now, once you're done doing this one, we will now disable unnecessary startup apps. So just close this window and we will go to Task Manager. So we need to open Task Manager simply by making a right click here in the taskbar, and then we need to select this Task Manager settings. Now, in this Task Manager, you'll be seeing here the startup app. So if you're not seeing this, then just simply click on this three horizontal icon here, and then you will be opening the navigation. Now select the startup apps, and you will be getting here the enabled and disabled options or applications that you have in your device. So please make sure that you will disable all the unwanted and unnecessary options here or applications that you have there in your device. And you can do that by, well, if you have already determined the unnecessary application, to disable it, just simply make a right click and then click on this disable option, and you need to do the same thing with all the other unnecessary and unwanted applications here. So once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then you need to make a quick restart with your device. So after applying these changes, we need to make a reboot with our laptop to experience the improved performance with our device or with our CPU in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.